Hello YouTube, today I will show you how I will keep for more time this helmet. As I told you at the previous video that you will see in the link below, my previous Kask helmet had a problem at this chin strap. This is not a real leather, it is artificial leather, so by the time with the sweat, if you have some beer, this is getting scratched and it's looking very dirty. So what we're gonna do now, we bought this pad. This is for the helmets. You're gonna find it in AliExpress, Temu, sites like this. It's like you're gonna find it like a pad for chin strap, something like that. It folds like this and it locks like that. It is very slim and it's also washable, so we will put it in this side like that. We will fold inside and we will lock from this side. Okay, we press. Now it's looking great. So now you have the logo outside and from inside is this pad. This pad is washable, so you will have it all the time clean when you want to clean it. So this is the way that you will keep this helmet for more years, because it is an expensive helmet and it should last for long. Thanks for watching. If you need any advice, comment below. Bye bye.